Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to share unbiased our bare necessities reviews. Friends, first let me tell you that this is not our website. So if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So, let's get started. Our bare necessities reviews is gaining the attention of the individuals in the countries like Canada and the United States. And this is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are LED bike light, LED rechargeable hat, interlocking puzzle exercise mat, rotatable bike phone mount, push up board training system, and so forth. Now, let's talk about other information related to payments. So, customers can pay through MX, Apple Pay, Google Pay, MasterCards, and Visa cards. Let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that shipping timing is directly stated as it will take 10 to 12 business days for delivery in the countries like United States and Canada, and approx 14 to 18 business days will be required for international orders depending on location. Friends, as we can see here that shipping cost is not stated. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spread to make more such informative videos for our viewers. Now, let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, our barenecessities.com have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 14th November 2020. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new. Now, let's take a look at About Us section. So here we can see that their story, mission, and values are directly stated. We know our products will work for you because we are just like you. We are not a bunch of fitness robots. We are a mix of fitness pros and beginners, band geeks, obstacle course racers, dog walkers, and so forth. Their mission is to use tech and design to connect the world through fitness, and their values are put clients first, operate with a hunger for action, and empower all types of athletes. So, let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So, in frequently asked questions, we can find the email ID of the company, which is info@ourbarenecessities.com. Apart from this, friends, company's address and contact number is not provided on the official website. Now let's have a look on the return policies. So again, in frequently asked questions, we found the answer of this question. So once you place your order and you receive the order, so they accept the return for last 30 days, and that is why they offer 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. And again, friends, we can see that there is no information related to refund policy. Although they have written that please visit our refund policy section below for more details, but there is no refund policy section below. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, do mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the Our Bare Necessities reviews, guys, so on the home page of the website we found few of the positive customers reviews where they have stated that the products are worth and I bought this to use for strength training and it's the perfect size. But apart from the official website, we could not find even a single review on other social media platforms or on other reliable shopping platforms. So guys, these our bare necessity reviews could be paid as well. So we could not completely rely on these reviews. So friends, lack of company's address, lack of contact number, and lack of presence on social media platform led us to believe that this site is suspicious. Therefore, in the final conclusion, we would suggest our viewers to stay away from such a scam website. However, friends, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your our bare necessities reviews with us in the comment section below. You can also comment below to report about any kind of scams. After all, we are here to spread awareness about scams. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Thank you guys, you have been a great audience. Stay safe, stay informed.